You can let Headlight optimize banner campaigns and show the best performing banner against the metric you choose. Click Edit to the right of the activity name. Go to the Creatives tab and click Edit to the right of the placement name. Here you select Optimize and choose the metric you wish to optimize against. The available optimization matrices are the click-through rate, conversion rate, revenue, and conversion per impressions. For the metrics conversion rate, revenue, and conversion per impressions, you can choose all conversions or one specific conversion. You can then choose to begin the optimization either automated by Headlight or a specific date. Either way, the optimization will begin when all banners in the placement have received enough data. Headlight will now delete the worst performing banner from the placement.